Okay, we have box opening day. This is an Amazon package. Not great packaging, but it's not. 1, 2, 3 chains. I will try them out and see how they work, but package of 3 20-inch chainsaw chains. And best price, buying 3 at a time seems the easiest way to do it. I'll put links below, and if I have any problem with how they cut, I'll let you know, but I'll stick them on there and give them a try. Those hardwoods go through these chains pretty quick. Okay, thanks for watching. Check the links below.